Today I am going to show you how to make a delicious homemade veg pizza with a crispy base, flavorful toppings and lots of melted cheese. It's simple, tasty and perfect for family dinners or weekend treats. So let's get started. Welcome to Paneli Kitchen. First, sift 2 cups of whole wheat flour into a large mixing plate. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon instant dry yeast and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Now gradually pour warm water. Mix everything until the dough starts form. The amount of water that goes in depends on your flour. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's soft and smooth. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Knead well. Now add 1 tablespoon oil and knead another 2 to 3 minutes. Shape it into a smooth ball. Cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, gently punch it down to remove the air. Knead for few seconds. Press the dough with your fingertips. Now place it onto a baking tray lined with butter paper. Now gently press the dough from the center outward using your fingertips. Keep pressing little by little until the dough spreads evenly into a square pizza base. Now place the mozzarella cheese sticks all around the edge of the dough. Fold the edge of the dough over the cheese and press firmly to seal it completely. This creates a delicious cheese-stuffed crust that becomes perfectly cheesy and smooth after baking. Use a fork to prick the base a few times. This prevents the crust from puffing up too much while baking. Spread an even layer of pizza sauce over the base, leaving the stuffed crust uncovered. Add a layer of mozzarella cheese. Now arrange all the vegetables evenly. Boiled sweet corn, chopped yellow and green capsicum, chopped tomato, black olives, and jalapino. Preheat oven to 230 degrees Celsius for at least 10 minutes. Bake the pizza at 230 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Our delicious homemade veg pizza is ready. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it rest for 2 minutes. Slice it up. Sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. Enjoy the crispy base, cheesy toppings and the irresistible cheese-filled crust. If you enjoy this recipe, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more easy recipes and drop a comment below with your favorite pizza toppings. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.